Let's say you have a shortcut like this one, and you want to make it convenient to use, but you don't want it to be on your home screen. Night shift is a feature that lets you filter blue light from your screen, which is a feature a lot of people like to take advantage of, but they don't want it to be on a fixed schedule, and it's not a feature they need to have on their home screen. So here are two ways you can use shortcuts to make some features, like night shift, more convenient to use. First, we'll add the shortcut to our control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open your control center. Tap the plus button in the top left corner of the screen, then tap Add a Control at the bottom. Surprisingly, there isn't a toggle here for night shift, so that's where our new shortcut comes in. Scroll down until you reach Shortcuts and tap the icon representing Run Shortcut. Tap the blue text saying Choose. You can use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for the night shift shortcut, or find it under My Shortcuts. Tap the night shift shortcut and it will populate a spot on your control center. If you want to move it to a different spot, do so now. When you're happy with where it's placed, tap an empty spot on the control center to stop editing your control center. Now you can tap this button in your control center to turn night shift on or off. The next way to make this toggle easily available is by making it a control on your lock screen. Swipe down from the top left corner of your screen to show your lock screen. Then tap and hold on the screen. Then tap Customize at the bottom of your screen. You have two circles at the bottom of the screen, which by default are occupied by the flashlight or the camera. Adding the night shift shortcut will remove one of the two controls you already have. Tap the minus symbol next to the circle you want to be your night shift toggle. Then tap the plus symbol inside the circle. Scroll down until you find the Shortcuts section and tap the icon representing Run Shortcut. Then repeat the steps to adding the shortcut to the control center. After choosing the night shift shortcut, tap anywhere on the screen outside of the gray box to close the box. Tap Done in the top right corner. Now you can tap and hold on the newly created control to turn night shift on or off. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like so that other people can find it more easily.